Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an eBay account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply search for eBay just like that. Go ahead and click on the first link that pops up right over here. And now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and create an account is click on register up here. So once you've done that, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and click on this I am a human tab and simply go ahead and do the captcha. So let me just go ahead and do that. There you go. Now all you need to do is, in order to create an account, is either choose it is for a business or personal. So I'm going to do it for my personal, so let me just go ahead and do that. Go ahead and enter your email right over here just like that, and go ahead and enter a password any you can. So let me just choose my own and simply click on create personal account. You can also do it from your Google, Facebook, or Apple. Okay, so once you do that, there you go. Now they're gonna send a verification code to confirm your email, so just click on confirm and then that is it. You should be logged in. Just go ahead and enter your password and there you go. They're gonna send another code, so let's just go ahead and verify that real quick. So there's the code. Once you paste it, it's gonna verify your account and there you go. So that is all you need to do. You can also go ahead and create a pin key, so go ahead and do that if you want to. Click on continue, there you go, and click on got it, and now you are in. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.